Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making chicken lo mein. This recipe was super easy to make. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love on my last video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and give this a big thumbs up. To start off, we'll be marinating our chicken. Yeah, please don't use as much as pepper as I did. This was an accident. But I used soy sauce, black pepper, cornstarch, and sesame oil. Normally you'll use white pepper, but I didn't have any, so I just used black pepper. Give this a good mix and set it aside. Now we'll be making our sauce for the lo mein. I used soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, black pepper, chicken broth, and cornstarch to thicken up the sauce. The recipe with exact measurements will be down below. Give this a good mix and set it aside. In a wok or a large pan, you're going to add a couple tablespoons of oil and cook the chicken. I kind of just separated the chicken a little bit, not mixing it, just making sure that each piece gets a nice color to it. I let that sit for a minute or two and then give it a really good mix to make sure each chicken is fully cooked. Give this video a big thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. You're going to make sure each chicken is cooked. It has a very nice color and sear to it. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the wok and add in your garlic and the white parts of the green onion. Cook that for a couple of seconds until the garlic starts to become a little fragrant. Now you'll add in your choice of veggies. I used carrots, cabbage, onion, and green onions. You want to give this a really good mix and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables kind of shrink down in size, but not too soft. It just has enough crunch on it. Chopping these vegetables with nails was a struggle. Shout out to everybody that cooks with nails because it is not an easy process. You want your veggies to look something like this. Now we're going to add in our noodles. I am using udon noodles. I could not find lo mein noodles anywhere, but these worked just as great. These noodles were super easy to cook. I just popped them in the microwave for about 2 minutes and they were ready. And then I drizzled some sesame oil on them to prevent it from sticking to each other. I'm just quickly mixing the noodles and the veggies together before I add in the sauce. Now we're adding in the sauce we made earlier. Y'all, this sauce goes a long way. I was kind of afraid that it would have been enough of the amount of noodles I had, but it was enough. You want to give this a really good mix. Make sure the sauce is fully incorporated into the veggies, the noodles, the onions, everything. But you can see it's already starting to look so good. You can't tell me this don't look restaurant style. This was honestly the best chicken lo mein I've ever had. Now we're just adding the chicken back in and giving it a really good mix. Make sure the chicken is also incorporated into the sauce and the noodles. This was a quick and easy one-pot meal. This is also beginner friendly if you are just now starting to learn how to cook. It really just took me about 30 minutes to make this meal. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this a try. Leave a comment down below on what is your favorite go-to Chinese takeout meal. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.